In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to deposit crypto inside of GoMining. It's super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up GoMining like you usually would. Then from here, you need to log into your account. Now you need to go up to this wallet icon up here in the right hand corner and go up to virtual wallet up here. Then you'll see this right here. You can see the recent transactions, you can see your total balance and all of the cryptos down here. Now from here, you need to click deposit and click deposit here. Now you'll have the option to select a crypto. And here you need to select the specific crypto that you want to deposit. So let's say I want to deposit Bitcoin. Now I need to select the network, and it's very important that you choose the correct network, or else you'll have the possibility of your cryptocurrency won't get transferred or deposited over to GoMining. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to choose BTC. Then from here, you'll see a QR code. You'll see the network down here, and you'll see the full wallet address to your GoMining account. Then from here, you can just copy it and go over to crypto.com or any other wallet address or wallet apps and deposit the crypto over to GoMining. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!